Yo. How is everyone? Hey, hello. You. Welcome, Omar. Good morning, Mega. I'm being good. Crypto Elite. Hello. It's going well. How has everyone been? How are you guys? It's a bit cold, to be honest. That's the only thing. Which we going long or short? I don't know. Tricky day as per usual. Yeah, but today is gonna be extra. Challenge for today? I don't know yet. I'm having a bad headache, but I wanted to stream anyways. Hello, Pac-Man. So how's everyone feeling? How is everyone doing? How is it going? How are we? Are we surviving this still? Because honestly, the market is absolutely mad. Completely mad. Let's play Minesweeper with the charts. Oh yeah, that's fairly easy. What up? Hello. Yeah. Listen, honestly, currently, where we are in these charts with the current movement, it's nothing more and nothing less than absolutely scary. It's just scary, guys. The market's gone insane. Absolutely insane. Let's let the viewers drip in a bit. Press the like. Good, Omar. Good coaching. Yeah, it's scary. We're 100% deep down in bear market territory. That's how that's happening. Bear market territory. Today we're trading on L-Bank again. We tried Max C yesterday. That didn't go entirely as planned. Bears are definitely in control. Registered at Max C because she traded yesterday on that site. And Max C works, especially for beginning, but you have to take care of the price structure. Lost a lot this week. I think everyone is losing a lot currently, or at least most people. It's just yeah. I do think Epstein file and the news about that. Well, people are saying that Epstein made Bitcoin. We can be honest about one thing. If Epstein didn't make Bitcoin, how can I be that certain? Well, a guy that can build that knows at least how to encrypt his emails properly, you know? So, yeah. I didn't have lunch if they talk. So yeah, if you can build Bitcoin, you can encrypt your emails. Nah, he's not. Epstein is not Satoshi. I'm not buying it. You do a lot better at encrypting if you're actually Satoshi. You know what I mean? Hello everyone. Hello. Kimusabe. How are you? He said there were 5 deaths though. Yeah, but still, listen, if there are 5 deaths, you have people that can encrypt your emails more properly than what was happening there. January, how much loss? I'm still up because of my shorts. So none. Think the market will crash again? Well, it's not per se looking good. So we have some news coming out today. It looks like the resistance is changing. We saw the Great Wall of 79. Outside the hourly and the 4 hour, you can see the Great Wall of 79. On the 4 hour, it's the same stuff, 79, and now it looks to be shifting to the bottom of this order block. So I don't know. Honestly, if I look at the movement, same as now again. Listen, this is the first seconds of the new candle, right? Look at the new 5 minute. This is candles, brand new candles open at an absolute dump fest. So it's what's the trading fees for each transaction you make? You turn 1K into 100K, right? It depends on the transaction. I don't know how much transaction fees I have. It depends per transaction, per leverage, per everything. It's not a fixed thing. Yo, like, look at this. It's not looking like it's going up, to be honest. Bitcoin just keeps ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping. It's not looking good. Yeah, this is more than scary, guys. This is an absolute destruction. And the weird thing is, we've seen the same thing at the 88K range, right? Where it challenged to break 88K. And it absolutely couldn't. But the fact was back then that at least it showed some strength up as well. It would just die out. Vol Empire, my plan for today is just wait to see what New York brings. And then we watch further. It's not looking good to long, then short. It's absolutely not good looking good to long. And it's absolutely not looking good to short either. It's in such a smack mid-range right now that... yeah, I don't know. It's underneath this order block. And it's trapped in this range for, let's say, almost all of New York. And the average range of this is 2% maximum. Personally, I'm not touching it right now. Look at this. This is the whole range. So until proven otherwise, yeah, it's not happening. The 4 hour turns probably close to red again. Look, it pumped up. Long wicks to the bottom. No shift out. No glory to be made here. It's not looking too good. No, not at all. Guys, if you want to help me out, press the like button. It will help the engagement. It will help people come in. It will help people finding us. It's good for everyone. It's good for the growth. And it helps to make this stream and keep everything free. What are the transaction fees for each buy and sell? I pay €1 for each. You're absolutely lying. That's impossible that you pay €1 for each if everything one is in USDT. And secondly, it depends on your size, it depends on your leverage, it depends on what you're trading, etc. Market's going to destroy everyone who is taking trades today. Yeah, that sounds pretty legit. Guys, we're still under 50 likes. Come on, it's free and it helps us out an awful lot. So I'm doing free on BTC with 500x. So are you trying to spam Trade Republic or what are you doing? I don't know. Making 30 out accounts to like the stream. That would be great. I don't mind. I'm not against it, let's put it that way. Sorry, really tired and having a bad headache, but I wanted to be here with you guys. What's your SL percentage with 500x? I think 0.15% move. Are high risk trades good or no? Depends on if you're good at it. And depends on what you see as high risk. Like in this market, I wouldn't go high risk because the average move is 0.3 to 0.4% each candle. When would the next challenge short? Whenever the market gives us something that we can challenge with, you know? How much leverage do you trade with usually? My main account 5 and challenge 20 to 30. I added USDT in my wallet. I'm ready. Hello, buddy. So yeah, now we have to wait, guys. We can't do anything with this range. Nothing safe, at least. Nothing safe. January, how much loss? Profit. Healthy profit. I know I'm new to trading and I don't have much money. I spend around $80 per trade and pay you €1 for each sell. Yeah, I don't know. Short silver futures. I'm only trading Bitcoin. Does 0.5 instantly trigger SL or trigger liquidation? Because you have a maintenance margin. So maintenance margin is a percentage of the spot move, and that's what people forget. And it's around 500x. It's between 0.5 and 0.7%. So 0.05. So 0.05 times 500 is at least 25% port. So you have 75% port left that it could move. 75 divided by the 500 leverage. That puts you at approximately 0.15% move. You start 1,000 to 100,000 from today? No, I won't. I never said I would do another 1K to 100K. So, no. Depending on what the market gives, I might try 1K to 10K. But right now I'm just waiting. Hello, Shanto. Hello, Phil. Or Philip, my apologies. What do you think of commodities? Like, commodities is tradable. Everything's tradable, but I just specialize in Bitcoin. So I trade Bitcoin. Doesn't necessarily mean that one or the other is bad or whatever. It's just, it's not my thing, you know? I have the idea that half of the viewers is liquidated or something. Greetings from Poland. Greetings back to Poland. So 200 viewers already, only 50 likes. Let's get it to at least half of the viewers liking. That's a way better ratio in my head. I'm autistic, so. Now it's showing good volume finally. But the thing is, it's always temporary. Groeten uit Breda. Groetjes terug. What exchange would you recommend for someone in the USA? I've been paper trading for a bit and doing really well, but I'm trying to find a good exchange to start trading for real. Thank you. You could use L-Bank. It's what we're using today again. Only thing you have to do is use a VPN to create an account. You see they're already coming down. They had slight volume up to the 300 region, and then they just decide to, you know, and they fuck it again. It's their standard go-to route. Yeah, I'll type the link in chat as well. There's the sign-up link for anyone who is interested to trade with me today. What's your strategy? My strategy is trying to make profit. It consists out of order blocks, order flow, and liquidity. Then you just use a VPN for signing up. That's it. Check hype. I know that hype is not going down because it's hype. It's someone is deliberately keeping it heavily suppressed underneath the 78.3 region. So it's right under the order block. No more scam C? Nope. When you go all in trades, when you go all in, bro. Why does it matter when I go all in? I never go all in. If I use 1K, then I might go all in. But that doesn't represent my port. So I don't... Yeah. I don't... Yeah, it might be me, but I don't get your question. 64 likes, 36 more till 100. So at least half the people liked it. What's their response? They're trying to figure it out. They don't necessarily have... How can we set TP according to chart, not like RR? What's your question? Guys, let's make an agreement today, okay? We're talking whole sentences that are understandable for people who normally would be sufficient in English. What's your thoughts of today's price movement? I don't know. The thing is, and that's very noticeable, it's heavily suppressed underneath this order block. So if we break it, it's probably up to 82K. So this whole range here, this 4%, blink of an eye. If we finally break out. If we reject it, this 2.5% to 80. So it's, for me today, it's either 76.4 or it's up to 82K. There's not much in between. People are going to lose a lot of money today. I don't know. Depends. How can I learn from you? Watch the live streams. Why would people lose a lot of money? But why is it scammy? You can see in yesterday's stream what happened with Maxi. They added 800 word of positioning fees that we couldn't explain at all. And that moved my liquidation because, yeah, it's half of the margin. So they semi-liquidated me without any, yeah, whatever. 71 likes. Guys, come on, press the like button, please. It's absolutely free. We're doing this daily, free of charge, with the free Discord. The link is pinned above. And this is the tool that I'm using on the right. It's Aggregated Trade. It's also free. So in order to keep everything free, it's... Yeah. Did you thought about being a copy trader on L-Bank that followers can follow you fast in and out? So waiting for liquidity to get reached, then seeing FVG or IFVG and deciding whether to short or long a good strategy in your opinion. Yeah, if it works for you, it works. But as of now, guys, look at the behavior. It just rejects. It rejects. It rejects. That's all it's doing. So look at how long it takes. Like, it's a candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red in the green area to reach the high point, and it rejects straight down with only one semi-ish green, you know? That's the biggest issue that we see right now. The pressure down is way, way, way exceeding the pressure up. I stopped answering being a copy trader. Copy trading doesn't fucking work. It's that simple. The mechanism of copy trading and how they build it without single order execution doesn't work. After 84K, like, I'm scaling from 84 to 87 with an invalidation of 91. If we reject indeed those levels, guys, we're going to see a lot lower. We're going to see towards like legit lows. That trade, I DCA'd and I survived. Much love from Hong Kong. Much love back. Much love back. How to improve psychology? Listen, psychology it's two things. One is experience. 1 second. So psychology is partially it's experience. And secondly, you need conviction, right? So conviction can only be built by, again, experience, doing it often, and next to doing it often, also making sure that you know where you get conviction from. So yeah, you just need to work on it yourself. I cannot teach you psychology. Trading in the zone might help indeed, but you need to find your own system. You need to find your own way. Yeah. And I know that's not an easy task. It's one of the hardest things. I never read Trading in the Zone, to be honest, so I can't tell you. I can't tell you. I listen to smooth jazz to relax and stay focused. That helps. Like, everyone has his own thing to stay focused, to stay in the zone, etc. I'm still adapting to the fact that I'm doing it on YouTube now. But here again, look, CVD is neutral, price is moving down, pressure is down again, markets are green, spot is buying. It feels like an insane trap. And yes, the probability of us going down on opening is really, really high yet again. Because 87.3 and 79, 87.3 and 79 are acting like absolute insane walls. I was wondering if you're Scottish. You have I'm Dutch. I still long? No. Like I said 3 times now, I DCA'd in and I got out at break even. Example, for 90% of my gains was from shorts. That's nice. Doing live trading, high leverage with viewers. You are amazing. Thank you very much, my friend. It's not always easy. My strategy with paper trading has been do lots of 1-2 minute positions and taking consistent small profits. I think it's a bad idea with real trades. I know fees can be an issue, I think fees is gonna be the least of your problems. The thing is, everyone is absolutely goated in taking profits. Like, I can get every trade or almost every trade 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Look at this pressure again. Thing is, you can get every trade for just a small time into profits, and yes, you can scrape like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times out of profit. You can get out, but the real issue is gonna start when the trade goes against you, and to see how you handle it then. Look how much resistance there is at 87.3. It's absolutely stupid. The amount of time we're spending in this range. After this morning, they tried to go up here. And since then, they pressured it down. And they're just using it as a goddamn toy for the last 3 hours. They just smack that underneath it. It's very tough, congratulations. It's a very tough assignment to trade live. It's fine. You just gotta find the hang of it, and you can't always be right. That's the thing. I just have to get used to blurring the influence of other people more again. Even these candles with insane volume have a wick to the upside. And this is what I definitely dislike. And it dies out immediately as well, you know? So, look, volume, spike, gone. Everything. Also the negative pressure, all is gone. So there's no follow-up whatsoever. And look at the amount of volume that this candle produces. Look, for example, at this red candle, right? That's the same size or bigger. And it has, I think, the close to 1/10 of the volume. And that's just the order absorption that the market is currently offering. It's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, what's your play today? 1K to 10K one day again. I might try. I have to see what the opening brings. I can't tell you up front what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's just, we might just chart and chill for a couple hours. Something indeed is completely off because the pressure is good, the volume is good, the influx is good. To me, honestly, it would look like a long. It would 100% look like a long. It would make so much sense to long, but I don't have any confirmation. Look at the money that's sitting above. Again, it's long should be the play. It should be. It's what makes sense. It's what is logical. It's what theoretically this should be a semi no-brainer long after all the shorts that we've seen. I'm gonna pee real quick. Please, guys, still below 100 likes and over 250 people. Hit the like button in the meantime, and then we're gonna prepare for the New York opening fire. People keep reporting my Instagram, so my previous post got deleted yet again. Drives me crazy, to be honest. Yo. How do you mean we're moving straight lines? Good day to you all. Good day. Bro, they're limiting my complete fucking account. Alright, this is absolutely stupid. Instagram, like... insanely annoying. Same as Bitcoin. So, yeah, they reported me because they said that the challenge is unbelievable or something. So now my account is not being shown to anyone. We grew to 16k followers. We had a video with 500k views and they just bluntly delete all the videos right now. So the market is dumping. Instagram is fucking me. All in all, 10-10 day, right? Why is TGR still up? I have no clue. Yeah, I don't know why Instagram is doing this. Yeah, but Instagram has been... What's the play of today? It's waiting. Play of today is waiting and hoping not to die. That's it for today. It would have been great if you informed HDCA for coming out of the position. We could learn a lot. I thought I typed it in the Discord, to be honest. Do you use special tools or Excel? Bro, I only trade Bitcoin and I'm not even in a single trade. I don't think it's that hard to track all the trades. Wait, I have to file an appeal with a committee? That's crazy. I'll be back with you guys soon. Oh, look at that. Pre-pump? Oh well, can't call it a pre-pump. Oh man, can't even crawl out of the hole. Not even remotely. What do you think? 2 minutes left to New York? Yes. True. Let's see, guys. Last 2 minutes. Wait, what? Oh, man. Insta's crazy. 40 seconds still New York. Find this in the support request messages. Here we go. Opening red. Surprising. Very surprising. Not a single green second. Not a single green second yet. You're doing a challenge? No, not today. Or at least not yet. Let's see what happens. I hate red. Yeah, me too. But it appears to be the only possible color within the current market. New York opening candle hasn't seen a single second green. I repeat, as no single second green. Yeah, marvelous. But we have seen a 100 plus dump. 150 plus dump. Think we can always see what's gonna happen, right? Oh man, just straight up dump yet again. Why you hate red? Just play downtrend. It's so simple. You can't enter in. Listen, there's no way that you can just enter right now in a short. That would make absolute zero sense. It's just down only. at this point. I need to find a reference number on Instagram as well in the meantime. Oh, just blink and we're below 78. That's all I can say. Just give it a couple seconds more, so we can dump to absolute 70 or something. Because that's the trend of the day, you know. IG, OC. Oh, you can't copy it. Crazy as well. What can I say about this, guys? Breaking news: New York market nukes the market. Jesus, what a dump. 0.7% in the first two candles. Yeah, I'm not getting my hopes up as soon as the candle slightly rises. So yeah, we just have to wait. They're building liquidity below and above. Well, they're mostly building above because below they always take. Listen, it's still too high to long it. It's too low to short it. So yeah. We dumped 0.8% plus straight on New York opening. We have seen, to be precise, 0 seconds of green in New York. So that is Impressive, no? So right now I'm just waiting. Let it bleed out. I can't do stuff with this. I can do absolutely nothing. How do I describe my content to Instagram? I don't know, man. Business. It's not going up, guys. We can't forget about the idea of Bitcoin remotely doing something positive today. So I now had to go to the oversight board at Meta. And they received my appeal. Absolutely crazy. Oh man, look at how beautiful the chart is looking yet again. I came here from eggs. Are we starting 1K to 100K challenge? No, not today. Have you seen the charts? What's here to start? Except a fundraiser for everyone who got absolutely destroyed. Look at the first 50 minutes of New York. Listen, guys, I'm not touching this bullshit. There's just no added value for me to try and trade this range. What leverage do you trade with? Nothing today. I don't know. I'm just watching to see if I can make any of it. But as of now, all I can say is just don't get in, don't touch it, and just wait. New York 50-minute. Yo, look at this. Holy crap. They just wipe out everyone yet again. So this, look at this candle. It doesn't have a single wick to the upside. Like, legitimately nothing. This means that not a single second after creation, not even green for a single second. Like, no single dollar above. Absolutely nothing. Yo, guy, I'm not gonna lie, we're absolutely doomed. That's all I can say. We're just, yeah. I don't see this recovering. How should this recover right now? Absolutely mental. The quicker we can hit at 74, the better we can move on. Come on, Bitcoin, shit the bed. Bro, this whole market is insanely unhealthy for everyone. I'm getting to the point where I might just slowly build a 2-3x position from 70 to 50k and come back in a year. This is completely, utterly senseless. Look at how the new 5-minute candle opens. So there's a new 5-minute open, right? It's now 30 seconds. 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, it yet again pressure down 0.25%. So $200. There's absolutely zero positive things to say about the current market. Look at this. First minute, we annihilated 0.27% move again. Oh, it's ridicule. It's not going up. It's not gonna survive. We're waiting for the next black swan, and then, yeah. We pick it up at 40k, I guess. Yeah, but you have bearish sentiment, and I'm not even in a trade, so for me, in the end, I don't fucking care. But you have a bearish sentiment, and you have an absolute death penalty. And it's unhealthy for the market. Everyone keeps getting liquidated. Everyone is losing money. Why? Because the exchanges want to fill their bags with unhealthy B-booking and just thriving on... The exchanges are purely thriving on liquidations of others right now. And that's what we're seeing. Oh, a green candle. Look at that. Or at least it's trying to be a green candle. That's the thing with crypto. It can change pretty fast. But this is... The behavior and the size of these moves is unhealthy. The way that it moves is unhealthy. The way that it looks for liquidity is unhealthy. It's very much unhealthy. This candle the same, don't get me wrong. This is a very unhealthy candle. 0.6% up. And it's getting worse and worse and worse for crypto and Bitcoin. Why? Because the candles get bigger. Took Asia low and off we go. We might. Like, honestly, if we want to have some hope or some belief in the fact that we could actually do something positive, we have to see 81k today. Or pretty in pretty foreseeable future. Otherwise, yeah. There's not much to report on. Listen, every candle to the upside has a wick. So everything up is not really up. It has a wick to the upside. Everything down is absolutely down. Like there's no question about it. It's down, you know? Look at this again. They might retrace this candle yet again and just completely reject it. And the pace at which they're doing it, you see every move up tends to have, it's green, green, red candle, green, green, red, green, green, bit of red. Every candle down is red throughout the candle. No second chances, no nothing, just pure rip it down. A rewind of 22, buddy, this is gonna be insanely worse. This can be so much worse than what we have seen in 22. The volume that they're already liquidating without black swans. FTX ain't had anything on what's happening right now. I don't know if you've seen it. But what they're doing is 100 times worse. Over the weekend, we liquidated more. We liquidated more over the weekend than we did during the FTX crash. Keep that in mind. Yeah, this is worse. As soon as this last hope of structure breaks, we're going 30, 40K. And the amount of damage we do from where we come is going to be significantly worse. Like, landslides worse. What do you think about Binance problems? Can it be second FTX? Listen, CZ is doing so many shady stuff that no one can actually explain or what is really happening, etc. It's something is massively, massively, massively off there. Like, look at this go. Yo, I might just full port short this. Just to prove that shorts can blindly make money. Thing is, the next support realistically for this thing is not until 76 something. You could almost blindly short it. Eat a beautiful doji candle. Like, look at this at the 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles needed to go up. Bluntly down. Yeah, just freaking short this. Why does it go to orders and not to... Okay, the only thing is we still have the low here next to it. This low that held 1, 2, 3, 4 times. As soon as we're going slightly underneath it, I will short this thing to hell. But this is so stupidly problematic for Bitcoin and everything. This is like straight up problematic. It's nothing less, nothing more. It's straight up problems. $77.5 is a marble staircase? Oh, 100%. It is that there's the last resort and the last hold level here. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna break it, to be honest. Fuck it. It's not looking good for absolutely anything. I would just take a stop loss of a take profit of like 62,000. Yeah, people will actively run away from the whole market. And to be fair, you can't even blame them. Look at the market we're in. It is the most crazy scammy market I have seen in my whole Bitcoin career or my trading career because of how differentiated it is. It shows you A and it's doing B. Watch it now retrace with insane speeds. Ah, it's still having pressure. Why are we short again? Because I'm up 1,500 bucks. It doesn't feel like it's done yet, to be honest. What leverage are you using? Currently 200x, just for the fun and games. Final push. Final push. No reason to stop here, to be honest. Yeah. Ah, that would have been a good close there, to be honest. Margin is 2K-ish. Come on, final push. Come on. Give me 3K plus profit. Can I enter now? Absolutely not. So I think it will bounce here. I closed. I closed too soon. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, we made a good 3K, you know? Wait, what? Realized. So the question is, on the 4 hourly, what do we see, right? Pays for yesterday's ridiculous fees? Bro, I got scammed again, man. I'm not even lying. It only realized... Oh, wait. 2100, 400. $2,600. Okay. Should we long it here? Classic New York Open. Okay, for... What are we seeing liquidation? Ooh, 40 million again. I'm looking for longs. Jesus, this is risky building a 10 Bitcoin position here. But yeah. Guys, if you can't stand to lose the money, don't try this at home, please. Everyone's looking for longs. I don't know, man. Thing is, average New York Open move is about 2.4%. So that would put us at 76.6. I do feel like we go up from here. I swear we're gonna miss this move. Oh, fuck, I knew it. Bro, I missed my entry for 3 Bitcoin on $40. That would have been another K profit that I just casually walked away from. Why do you think we go up? It's just, call it a gut feeling. Let's see how this candle develops. It might pressure it back down again. This is an important 5-minute candle. And I want to see this candle develop in order to see how we're going to position ourselves. But it feels like we already missed the $500 move by $40. $600 move. Man, I was scaling towards 10 Bitcoin. That would have finished the 1K to 10K. That's insane. Maybe it comes down again. Give it a bit of time. You have to front run though. No, the thing is, I'm scalping, you know? So look at what's on the screen. It's 2.6, 2.7, that's 5.3, and 5.9. So that's 11.3 Bitcoin. That it was spreading here, and it missed it on $40. So if I would have gotten that entry, I could have DCA'd in, and I could have taken an average of, like, let's say $350, $400 move with DCAing in. That would have been 5-6K profit right there. Now we have to see if it comes back, and it looks like it's coming back. I've noticed that before the market moves up, it goes up, it retests, and then it goes up more, or it dumps. That's, yeah, of course, it dumps. It might test this region. Where does this end? This is 76.3. So then I might move this slightly down. And this one can also move slightly down. Let's see. Limits are in. Let's see if we're gonna make bank today, or if we get absolutely annihilated. You say rolling over again. Just sniped an entry at C. Zach, good job, buddy. Very good job. Congratulations. It looks like it's gonna go up. The question is, how much risk am I willing to take with this to not miss the move? Looks to be bouncing off of this area here. It is such a tricky question. This is one of the hardest things of trading. This is so hard. Because now the question is, are we going to chase dollar also dumping? Yeah, that's what I mean. But it feels like I missed the move. Yeah, it's strong. Let's open 5 Bitcoin and let's see. Let's target the high of the range because theoretically we're still in the range. I might have made a huge mistake now, guys. Don't get me wrong. I might have actively fucked this. 2 green candles might have been the absolute bait and I fell for the bait. Just a FOMO on trying to provide live trading. Yeah, it's gonna roll over again. Such a stupid decision. Stick to your damn system, Shanto. Fucking hell. Rule 1 never long? Nah. That's also not true at all. What is it rejecting off? Bottom of this range? Why am I so stupidly impatient? See, swing direction is going down more. Yeah, I agree. I should have just waited for what I was saying to myself, what I put in the actual charts. Because now I put myself in a big issue. Like in a really big issue. It's not like we didn't know it. That's the only good thing about it. It's gonna turn here. Bro, I just lost $270 in the first 2 minutes of the new candle. I don't think it's gonna turn here, to be honest. Look, it's still green volume and it's printing red candles. You need an absolute miracle for it to turn here. Absolute stupidity from my side. Absolute stupid stupidity. How to trade so long and still don't have discipline. How to get banned so easy. Try trading with 400 people watching live and then come back again, right? Yeah, absolute magicians at remaining pressure while volume is green. It's absolute magic. It's like a bloody carnival trick. I swear my original plate is gonna plan out to the dollar. I have to get out of this one. Now it's eating me completely alive with fees. Wait, what? Huh? What's going on now? Watch it just... Bro, this is why I absolutely hate this range. This range is absolutely untradeable. My God. Okay, I'm just gonna mark it in. If this one goes wrong, I'm ending it for today, and I'll come back when the market is normal. I can't trade this. I get baited too much. I deviate from my own system. I don't like that stuff, to be honest. I get nervous trading, and I haven't been nervous trading in years. So yeah. This is insanely unhealthy for myself if I keep trying to do this. No, I'm not good today, to be honest. I'm starting to notice that it's actually weighing down on my mental health. So, yeah. It's everything around it. My Insta getting absolutely banned for nothing because people report me for nothing. That pissed me off so much. So I have 3 posts deleted. It's not about winning every trade. It's about being in the right mental space in order to do trading. And that's what I feel like isn't currently going the way I would want it to. So that's why I'm seeing that. Stop typing in fucking caps. Komt goed. Yeah, it will be fine. But it's just, sometimes you need to recalibrate. Trading my shitty build strategy indicator we didn't do well in backtest last 3 months. January at 30%, fuck it and roll with it. Yeah? Listen, if it works for you, it works, right? This range is trying so absolutely hard to scam everyone out of his positions, out of his stuff. It's mental. It's really mental. I'm so done with this music. I need some massive green candle in order to DCA in margin. Current sentiment is a shit without the Epstein emails. Do you think we will recover without that? I have no clue if... we will recover, but I cannot tell you when we will recover this complete clusterfuck, because that's what we're looking at. It's a mess across the board, let's be honest. It's an absolute mess. Okay, I have to be insanely risk on. No, I can't yet. I can't. Look, that is definitely green volume. Good green volume. And yet again, we're pushing down. I feel like it doesn't matter what the market does. We will go down anyway. And that is so scary to witness and see. New York hasn't seen green for a single second again today. Not a second has New York gone up. Look at this candle. It's straight down. Like, legit straight down. No wick to the upside. Not a single second of green. You don't see anything accelerating to the upside. Like, nothing accelerates up of out of a range. Look at this again. Pressure down, more pressure, more pressure, more pressure, more pressure. But as soon as you start sorting it, they will just relieve the gas for a little bit and then fuck you on that side. I've traded through bear markets. I've traded through FTX. I traded through the Luna crash. I have been in this market for an insanely long time. I have personally not witnessed this yet. Not to this extent, not with this pressure, not with this movement. This, for me, is the first time ever witnessing a market behaving in the way that this does. Like constant irrationality. That's all this is. It's constantly irrational. Zero hopium, zero fade, zero pullbacks upwards, no strength. Yeah, honestly, for me, it's the first time ever I witnessed it on this scale. Markets tend to be slightly irrational for a bit of time, you know, like, oh, we're going down even though CVD is up and everything. But this is just... yeah, this is something different entirely. Completely different. Also, the ease at which it moves. Look at how they retrace this and just pressuring this down again. Zero hopium, zero chance, just straight up dead. Because of institutional thing, bro. It just, there's nothing positive. And if there's something positive, they don't give a shit. That's the thing. If we have positive news, positive numbers, or anything remotely positive happening, I might just close this, you know. I'll short it with the last Bitcoin I have before this is liquidated. And I'm going to call it a day. This makes no sense to be here or trade this or whatever. Take profit 64K and I just walk away, and I'll see it another day. This is so irrational behavior. This is so absolutely stupid that I'm not gonna sit there. Look at where it bounces and how it bounces. Doesn't matter where you enter. Doesn't matter what you do. You see, and gone. Forced liquidation. So look at this move. It hunts me to the downside. It hunts me to the upside. And look at where it moves now. Back to profit and back to the original. This must be... this is the joke. This is the absolute joke of the week. This right here is the joke of the week. I don't know if the order book is so stupidly thin or... okay, everyone who's commenting gambling now, I'm gonna immediately block you. So we've been in a long for the whole fucking time. Yeah. I'm done.